Programming teachers find themselves frustrated because they can't find a way to engage their students. Code.org offers professors a way to engage their students with fun and intriguing assignments, homeworks, and projects, allowing you, the teacher, to monitor their progress throughout the whole course. In this video, you'll be learning the basics of Code.org, specifically how to create an account, how to set up a classroom, which includes assigning projects and activities and homework, how to show your students how to join the course, and how to monitor their progress. First, we're going to start with how to create an account. So once you go under your browser and put code.org, this is what should pop up. So the first thing you're going to do is click on Sign In. After that, you're going to click Create an Account. So the first thing it's going to ask is the account type, whether you're a teacher or a student. In this case, you're going to click Teacher, and after that, you're going to put in the email, your school email, and then your password, and then the password confirmation. And then it'll ask for a display name, which is like a username. Then it'll ask for the school information, where you just put the country, the type of school, and the city. Then it'll just ask if you want emails or updates on the website. You can click yes or no. And then it'll ask for you to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. And then your account is all set up, and what you're looking at right now is the dashboard. Next, we're going to see how to set up a classroom. On your dashboard, you're going to see Set Up Your Classroom. You're going to click to the right on Create a Section. Then you're going to click on Personal Logins. Then it's going to ask for your section name, it's going to ask for the grade you teach, and the specific course. You can choose through all of those specific computer science courses, and then it's going to ask you to select a specific unit you want to work on. After that, you're just going to click Save. And then you're going to see your course all set up with the name, the course, and the specific unit, and the option to add students, which we're going to see later on. After that, you can click on the course, on the specific unit, and you can see the whole lesson plan. On View Lesson Preview, it's going to show you an overview of the lesson, the purpose, the objectives. It shows you how long the activities lasts, a specific description of each activity. It'll show you the discussions that students will have to complete. It also includes teaching tips, as you can see on the screen. And you can see all of the chapters 1 through 10 per unit. You can also click on the particular lesson, and you can see exactly the assignments and the activities the students will complete. So you can also have a chance to do them yourself before assigning them to your students. At the top of the website, where you see 1 through 10 and that big 3, right next to it, you'll see a little arrow pointing down that says More. You're going to click on that, and then you can see all of the lessons of that unit, and you can go on each of them and just skip through some of them. and do them in whichever order you'd like. Now we're going to see how to monitor students' progress. On the dashboard next to your class course, you're going to see an arrow facing down. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to see View Progress. You're going to click on that too. You're going to see the names of your students, and next to their names, 1 through 10 little boxes. And on the bottom left, you can see the lesson status of whether they've completed each chapter or not. So the blank one is not started, or the next one is in progress, or the ones that are colored, or that they've completed it. You can also check the text responses for each of the discussions that students are assigned for each unit. You can also check the assessments and surveys that students complete for each unit for teacher feedback. You can also check the projects that students have completed. You can also check stats. And you can also manage your students in the class. If you want to edit it, you want to remove a student. In Actions, you can remove it. Up next is teaching students how to join your classroom. So on your dashboard, in your course, you're going to see login info, and you're going to see a code underneath that. Keep that in mind for when you're teaching students how to join your class, because they will need that code. So when students create their own account, they have to put that their account type is for students. They'll ask their name, their age, and their gender. Of course, it'll ask their email once they create their account as well. After that, they agree to the terms of service and they create their Go to My account. After that, it'll be just like your dashboard. They'll have the same thing, but instead of having the option to create a course, they're going to scroll down and they're going to see an option to join a section. And there they're going to put the code that your dashboard has for your class, and then they're going to put Join Section. And then automatically you're going to see your course name and your unit with the course you offer. And once they click on that, they're going to see all of the units your course has, and they can start working on it immediately. So they'll see every lesson, each chapter, each unit has. And just like that, you can assign fun and engaging homework discussions and projects, all while monitoring their progress and seeing how well they're doing in each chapter of each unit. Hopefully this video motivates you all introduction to programming teachers to use this website to assign your students these courses and get their attention back on coding.